Let's pick for a regular customer from UK. Let's see what she picked this time. It's a third order in our shop, basically once a month after we launch the new designs. Both my husband and I are very grateful for her support. This time she selected 2 nail sizes because one of them is for her friend. The first set is Cat in the Forest, one of our early autumn collection. It's a very cute and popular set that has been ordered by many people. This sweetie picked 3 sets. The second set is Cat in Space, another popular cat-themed design in our shop. It's also a set of shell nails practical for work. The last one is Jelly Sweetheart. It's a very sweet 3D cat eye design, very demure, very elegant. So which one is your favorite among the 3? We also have some surprise small gifts for her. How she will like them. Each set comes with a complimentary nail application kit. The other day a customer messaged me that she lost some nail pieces. No worries, we do replacement nails. So please let me know if you lost any. Thanks for watching.